Hi everyone, I welcome you back to Silo Light Healing. Let us check what are the love messages for you today. Let us check what are the spirit guides wanting to let you know. It's the weekend, so let us check what are the love messages from your person. What are they wanting to convey? I've also written some handwritten notes for you. Okay, so I have made some notes for you wherein we will be checking those messages as well. Okay, so let us check what are the messages. Um, right now you and your person might be focused on yourselves. आप दोनों खुद पे फोकस ज्यादा कर रहे हैं. Okay, on your individual selves, on your work. Maybe you are reading a lot of stuff, books. Maybe you are dealing with books. Maybe your person is dealing with books. या तो आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं किसी एक कोर्स के लिए या फिर प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज के लिए या फिर कोई यू नो चैलेंजिंग एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए आप कुछ स्टडी कर रहे हैं. दैट्स another thing that I'm getting. Okay, because with this card I'm getting that books are significant here. Okay, knowledge is significant, knowledge is power, that's what you feel. Okay, and maybe a lot of reading is going on, lot of reading is going on right now. Okay, gathering knowledge through some source, reading. Maybe you are dealing in with something which requires a lot of reading. Okay, कोई कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स है उसके लिए कोई मे बी प्रिपेयर कर रहा है. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग बट रीडिंग इज देयर. ओके, सो बेसिकली रीडिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राइट नाउ. फाइन. सेकेंडली, आप लाइब्रेरी जाते हैं रीड करने के लिए. मे बी देर इज अ वर्क प्लेस वेयर इट्स ऑल अबाउट बुक्स. ओके, मे बी यू आर वर्किंग देयर लाइब्रेरी में, या फिर आप जाते हैं regularly. You visit library to read stuff. Okay, maybe magazines are important, maybe newspaper is important, maybe you found out something important in while reading something. Okay, secondly, आप जिनके साथ डील कर रहे हैं वो जो पर्सन है वो भी अपने हैप्पीनेस पे वर्क कर रहा है. दे आर फाइटिंग विद सेल्फ वर्थ इश्यूज, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इश्यूज एज वेल. वो अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं, अपना हैप्पीनेस पे फोकस कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे नो दे आर द क्रिएटर ऑफ देयर ओन हैप्पीनेस. दे know that the magic that they were looking outside lies within them. Okay, that is what they have realized right now. And वो जो भी मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं उनमें हो सकता है या फिर आप में या फिर उनमें. ओके, और मे बी बोथ ऑफ यू हैव गॉट सच पावर, स्पिरिचुअल गिफ्ट्स, कि जहाँ पे यू वॉट एवर यू मैनिफेस्ट, वॉट एवर यू विश फॉर, वो इजिली मैनिफेस्ट हो जाता है. ओके, मे बी यू आर into spiritual things or activities right now. Recently you have you know been attracted to those. आपको लगता है कि कैंडल मैजिक स्पेल करना है या फिर कोई स्पेल करना है विच विल बी इफेक्टिव फॉर द टू ऑफ यू और फॉर दिस कनेक्शन टू वर्कआउट. और मे बी कोई ऐसे रिचुअल्स आप फॉलो करते हैं या फिर आपके पर्सन ऐसे फॉलो करते हैं जो आपको पता है कि वो ऐसे रिचुअल्स परफॉर्म करते हैं, स्पिरिचुअल रिचुअल्स जिसको बोलते हैं, to create magic. Maybe they might be working for somebody or maybe for their clients, for their customers. Uh, Another thing that I get here is they are also working on their own healing. Okay, healing their heart with this card here, Ace of Cups. वो आपको they are ready to provide you with everything, but they are also working to fill their own cup. ओके, क्योंकि वो एम्प्टीनेस में से आपको कुछ पोर नहीं करना चाहते, इसलिए वो खुद हील हो रहे हैं. जो भी उनके पास है उतना आपको देना चाहते हैं. दैट्स बेसिकली वॉट दिस पर्सन दैट यू माइट बी डेटिंग विद और थिंकिंग अबाउट फील्स फॉर यू और मे बी फॉर दिस कनेक्शन, कि उनको हील भी करना है. उनको दे आर अ गिवर, so they also want to give everything selflessly to the right person. That's what I feel. Okay, secondly, they are very faithful because we have a dog, we have two dogs here. Yeah. So maybe pets are important for both of you or maybe one of you, either of you. आपको पेट्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है, हो सकता है आपके घर पे है. ओके, मे बी डॉग, कैट, एनीथिंग, any animals or maybe birds as well. So you are in love with pets, it could be a case. और मे बी आपको लगता है कि ये जो पर्सन है आपके, जो जिनके साथ डील कर रहे हैं, वो आपके हर एक सिचुएशन में आपका सपोर्ट सिस्टम बन के रहेगा. बिकॉज जस्ट लुक एट दिस पर्सन. Here there is a kid, a puppy, and they are growing older. The puppy, turns into a dog. The kid turns to an adult or a man. एंड वो फिर भी ये जो डॉग है वो इतना फेथफुल है कि अभी तक वो पर्सन के साथ है. सो योर पर्सन फील्स कि ये जो मेरा पर्सन है जिसके साथ मैं डील कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ वो बहुत ही लॉयल है, बहुत ही फेथफुल है, बहुत ही सपोर्टिव है, जो मेरे साथ हर एक सिचुएशन में मेरे साथ रहेगा, मुझ पे गिव अप नहीं करेगा. My cup will always be filled with their love, their support, their respect, their understanding, everything that you are wishing for and looking for. ये सारे क्वालिटीज ये पर्सन में है. That's what you feel for this person. Also, another thing that I'm getting here is there is some tussle happening between the two of you. It could be related to your work, or maybe some ego issues again. Okay. So another important message I'm picking up today is tongue acts as a sword. So be careful how you are dealing and talking with this person whenever you talk next, because out of anger, out of rage जो भी निकलता है वो we don't always mean that, but ये सारी चीजें जो है वो spoil करती है सारी मतलब good things को, okay, in the connection or relationship. So be aware about the same. Secondly, there are some hidden matters that are still remaining in this connection, or maybe there are still hidden truths which are present in this connection. That's what your person feels, or maybe you feel the same for your person as well. या तो आपने कुछ शेयर नहीं किया या फिर उन्होंने कुछ शेयर नहीं किया जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे, एंड ड्यू टू विच यू आर हैविंग दिस टसल बिटवीन द टू ऑफ यू. उनको लगता है आपके कुछ छिपा रहे हैं, आपको लगता है वो कुछ छिपा रहे हैं. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, so take it how it resonates. But yes, there are some hidden truths definitely in this connection, so please try to keep the things balanced again. Okay. ये हिडन ट्रुथ की वजह से आपका कनेक्शन स्पॉइल ना हो, बैलेंस ना बिगड़े, प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज मेक श्योर कि आप पोलाइटली, काइंडली इस पर्सन के साथ डील करें, बिकॉज एज आई सेड टंग एक्ट्स एज अ स्वॉर्ड. तो ये इजिली कोई भी चीज जो है वो ब्यूटिफुल चीज है उसको स्पॉइल कर सकता है. सो प्लीज बी वेरी केयरफुल. ओके. This person is very loyal. They also know how to take care of your heart. That's another thing I'm getting. Okay. But definitely please make sure ki the communication that happens between the two of you next, please make sure it is transparent, it is honest. Okay. With this high priestess card, I also get that the person that you might be dealing with is very spiritually awakened soul. Their energies are vibrating higher. Okay, because they are focused more on themselves. वो इतने सारे स्पिरिचुअल एक्टिविटीज नहीं भी करते, फिर भी उनमें इतना पावर है. सो बेसिकली जिस ये जो पर्सन है जिसके साथ आप डील कर रहे हैं, जैसे मैंने बोला, वो बहुत ही एक स्पिरिचुअल इंसान हो सकता है. उनके एनर्जीज इतने हायर है, मतलब उनके फ्रीक्वेंसी और वाइब्रेशन इतने हाई है कि वो जिसमें भी अपने एफर्ट्स या एनर्जीज पुट करते हैं, इवन इफ दे आर नॉट मेडिटेटिंग और डूइंग सम स्पिरिचुअल रिचुअल्स और समथिंग, कुछ भी वो करते हैं उसमें दे एड मैजिक टू इट. ओके. सो दे हैव मैजिकल पावर्स. So it might not resonate with all of you, but yeah, you know it better. So take it as it fits. But yes, maybe nose pin is important. Maybe you like nose pin. Maybe your person likes nose pins. Okay. Another message that I'm picking up here is you are worried about your weight or something. Maybe you are on a weight loss journey or something. Maybe you are following a strict diet or health regime. Please work towards your fitness, physical health, well-being. And next thing जो मुझे लग रहा है यहाँ पे is कि आपको अपने हार्ट चक्रा को हील करना चाहिए. Okay, along with your throat chakra, because communication is getting weaker day by day. Please focus on your heart chakra as well For that, you can wear a rose quartz bracelet. I'm already wearing it. Since morning, I was getting this message. Please wear a rose quartz bracelet, okay, to cleanse and heal your heart chakra. Okay, so please focus on that. You can also meditate. And now let us check what are the messages for you. Okay, let us check. Jealous over possessive. Okay, so your person might be jealous, they might be over possessive, and that could be a problem in the connection, due to which you fight a lot. अनब्रेकेबल बॉन्ड. ओके, सो आपको लगता है कि आपका जो बॉन्ड है वो अनब्रेकेबल है. कोई भी इजीली ब्रेक नहीं कर सकता, एंड इट्स इटर्नल. ओके, आई वॉन्ट टू हियर योर वॉइस. वाओ, सो योर पर्सन, मे बी योर पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू हियर योर वॉइस. एयर साइंस, जेमिनाई, लिब्रा, एक्वेरियस. सो एयर साइन के साथ आप डील कर सकते हैं. मे बी एयर साइंस, swords represent air signs, so communication is very important, so please communicate. Be careful while communicating. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So you might be dealing with a fire sign, you might be a fire sign, so take it as it fits. अगर आप नहीं है फिर भी it's fine. If the messages are resonating well with you, please take it, otherwise let it go. Trust the timing of your life. Yeah, trust the timing of your life. Please don't rush things. You mean the world to me. Wow, beautiful. Checking daily to see if you are flirting with somebody else. Okay. This is another message that I'm picking up. We have water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Next, caring connection. You feel that this person is very caring. Your person also feels the same way for you. Relax and calm down. Wow. So please trust the timing of your life. Don't panic. Don't get anxious. Okay. Please relax and calm down for a while. I understand you even in your absence or silence. Wow. Keep it simple. Okay, so please don't complicate things further. I need to heal first. Yeah, healing is basically the message that we are picking up today. Okay, so please heal your heart, heal your throat chakra, and try to communicate. I can't sleep without you. Okay. Let's not ruin our special connection. So we got unbreakable bond. We got this special connection as well. Okay, I have significant time here. It could be significant or important for you in some way. Let us check. 9:45 p.m. You can take a screenshot if you want to. Okay. We have 9:45 p.m., 11:11 a.m., 9:09 p.m., 12:12 a.m., 5:09 p.m., 6:06 a.m. and 5:30 a.m. Okay. If you want, you can flip the screen and take a screenshot. This could be significant in some way. It will happen in the divine time. Okay. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful messages for you today. So I have made these handwritten notes today for you guys to convey such messages. Now let us check what are the messages from your person. And 3 cards I'll be picking up. I know I messed up everything. So maybe your person has messed up the good connection. I'm so attracted to you. Wow. Songs remind me of you. Yeah. So songs could be significant for you in some way. You guys might be having a favorite playlist or something. Okay. So yeah, these were the messages. Beautiful reading. Okay. And take care. Enjoy the weekend. And I'll be back with another reading soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Stay blessed.